vaccinated good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is a Vikas Sharma present here. Today I am here to give my opinion on the corona. How did the corona affect our education, business and politician? But before giving my opinion, I would like to say thanks my trainer Mr. Pradeep Agrawal sir, who gave me this wonderful platform to express my thought in front of everyone. Guys, let me say one more thing. What is the corona? From where corona come to India and how it affects our country? Corona is the disease which is affecting the repression of the human body and all the organs. Corona came from the one city of the China. Guys, you know government put the lockdown in the whole India. Let me say one thing: how the corona it played an important role in our education. Before the corona, most of the students used to education in the local teacher in their area, and those these students have a lots of money, enough money to fulfill their need in the education. They can take the education in another city. But before the corona, online class is come into the force, and every teacher started to the teaching on the online platform. It's a benefit for the student. Any students take the online class in the in the corner of the India, and teacher also getting a lots of things. Teacher get a respect, teacher get a famous, and teacher gets a lot of money. Now I want to share a live example of the legend Khansar. Before the corona, Khansar used to teach only 10,000 students. But after the corona, he is teaching more than 24 lakh students in the whole India. And government gave the general promotion to the all students for 2 years. This general promotion is the student facing in the competition exam. Guys, let me say the corona how affected the business of the India. During the corona, most of the people lost their job. They faced a lots of problem to survive this life. People lost the job because the multinational companies were not able to export the goods, export the raw goods. In this way, they lost their job, and due to which the economy of India went down, and the price rise is increasing continuously. Why? Because the company did not produce to the fulfill their needs. In this way, the company and the government is increasing the price rise. Guys, you know government had closed the whole India in the any corner, in the any state, in the any city. Anyone want to go anywhere, police always beat him. But when the election is come, government started the rally to promote their party with the large amount of people. Government did not conduct the exam because of the corona. But when the election come, government started the election. This is the strategy of the election. This is the strategy of the polity. This is the strategy of the election. This is the strategy of the members. And guys, government want to do something. No one can do. No one can stop. They want to do something. They do, and they can put the lockdown in any time. They can remove the lockdown in any time. The conclusion: pupils of the country face the problem, face the GDP down, face the many economic crises, and if in this situation any pupils in the world facing lots of problems. So thank you to all of you. This is my